हेलो एवरीवन। आज की इस लेक्चर में हम लोग एक रिजल्ट देखेंगे एंड दिस रिजल्ट इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर सॉल्विंग द प्रॉब्लम एज वेल एज फॉर योर एग्जाम. So result says that if you have a sin a plus b into sin a minus b, then this is sin square a minus sin square b. So this result can be asked for 4 marks. So we will see here the proof of this. So we know sin a plus b. What is sin a plus b? Which is sin a cos b plus cos a sin b. Okay, so this is the result, sin a cos b plus cos a sin b, and if you have minus, then we have here minus. Okay, so we will replace all these values in your LHS of this. So consider LHS. LHS is equal to what? Sin a plus b into sin a minus b. Okay, so sin a plus b can be replaced as sin a cos b, sin a cos b, then plus cos a sin b. Okay, so I replace sin a plus b as sin a cos b plus cos a sin b. Now multiply this with what? Sin a minus b you can replace as sin a cos b minus cos a sin b. Okay, so what I did, I considered LHS, and in LHS I have substituted the formulas of sin a plus b and sin a minus b. Now look at this. This is suppose a and this is suppose b. Suppose this term is a and this term is b, and now what is this? This is a and this is b, right? So what is a plus b? A minus b. A plus b into a minus b is what? A square minus b square. So I will find out. I can write here. Therefore I can write sin a cos b square. A square minus b square. B square means what? Cos a sin b bracket square. Which formula I applied here? A plus b into a minus b is a square minus b square. Okay, so this is the formula which you know. Now simplify this. What you will get here? Sin square a cos square b minus here cos square a sin square b. Okay, what I need? I need all the terms in sine. So what I will do? I will convert this cos b as in terms of sine, and this also cos a can be converted as sine. So this can be written as sin square a cos square b can be written as what? Cos square b can be written as 1 minus sin square b. Correct? Sin square theta plus cos square theta is 1. So this is 1 minus sin square b minus cos square a. Correct? Cos square a can be written as what? Cos square a can be written as 1 minus sin square a into sin square b. Okay? So what I did, I replaced cos square b as 1 minus sin square b and cos square a as 1 minus sin square a. Now I will multiply this and we will find out what you will get on the RHS. Therefore LHS is equal to, multiply this sin square a, so sin square a into 1 which is sin square a minus sin square a into sin square b, right? Sin square a into sin square b minus this sin square b into 1 sin square b. Correct? This and this. Now minus gives you plus, minus gives you plus sin square b into sin square a, sin square b into sin square a. So I multiply each term with this term and this term. So I evaluated the bracket. Now sin square a into sin square b, this term minus and this term plus get cancel. So what you will get here? You will get sin square a minus sin square b. Okay, so this is your RHS. So therefore this is equal to RHS. So you can also prove that this is cos square B minus cos square A. You can prove yourself cos A plus B into cos A minus B is cos square A minus sin square B. Okay, so this is the another result. You can prove yourself, try yourself to get cos A plus B into cos A minus B is cos square A minus sin square B. Understood this result? Then please share it to your friend as well as subscribe to this channel. Thank you.